Hi there, this is Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely winter wreath. You will need a 12-inch styrofoam wreath ring. Here I was lucky to find a white one, but if you find a green one, you can always paint it white. And you'll need some decorative mesh. This is pretty stuff with silver glitter in it. And the rest of the items I got from Dollarama. So I found these really pretty ribbons, one in navy and one in royal blue with snowflakes that had beautiful silver glitter on them. And I purchased this thick yarn, white yarn, these artificial pearls, this little wooden snowman, and these silver snowflakes. So first I'm going to take my yarn and attach it to my wreath form. So just begin with putting a little dab of hot glue and just wrapping your yarn around. So what I like to do is sort of do maybe 4 or 5 wraps around and then just bunch it all together like so. Next, I'm going to prepare my decorative mesh. I'm going to start by rolling it about 3 rolls in, and then just clip it with a little clip and turn it over. Do 3 more rolls in, bunch it in together, and then I'm just going to secure it with a full-sized pipe cleaner, a white one. I'm going to make 6 bunches with the decorative mesh. So 3 will go on each side of the bow. You want to pull your pipe cleaners nice and tight and give it a little twist, maybe 3 or 4 twists, and then just trim off the excess. So now I'm going to put together my bows. So I want to have 2 of each ribbon. So start by making a 5-inch tail, and then you want to have your loops about 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches. And for the other loop, I just do a little twist and measure 2 to 3 inches. Then I'm going to cut off the other side to make another 5-inch tail. Pull your bow out of the bow maker and just secure it with the pipe cleaner. You want to put it on the back, twist it on the back. And here I've made all 4 bows. I'm just attaching them at the back. And the last thing I'm going to do for my bow is I'm just going to make a little loop in the middle. So I'm just going to cut off a little 4-inch strip and put some little bit of hot glue on there to make just a little loop, and then just glue it onto the middle of my bow. And next I'm attaching my embellishments. So I have my little confetti snowflakes that I'm attaching, and my little welcome sign, and my pearls. And because I didn't have any other black in my wreath, I decided to add a little bit of glitter to the welcome sign. And next I'm adding a strip of the navy ribbon. I just took a 10-inch strip of ribbon and just folded it in half for the hanger. I'm very happy with how my winter wreath turned out. It's very pretty with the blues and the silvers and the sparkles. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you're enjoying my content, please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, you can hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when I upload new videos.